What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Wonder Woman Flight of Courage at Six Flags Magic Mountain. This is the longest, tallest single rail coaster in the world, and it also makes for Magic Mountain's 20th coaster, which is the most any single park has in the world. So this is a big opening for them, and they just had their opening ceremonies and a couple of clips, and this is their official POV, so definitely check out the link in the description to see the original video, and so you can see their other YouTube opening ceremony videos. The most liked comment on our previous video of us checking out Popeye at Universal Orlando Resort comes from the Limber channel. They said they never actually get to see me ride the Popeye ride, but they love it. I love it too. You just get super soaked and it's great to cool off on a hot day. If you're new here, the most liked comment on this video gets read on our next. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.